Hello there, I'm Abhishek. I am a UX UI designer in a startup company and also working as a freelancer. I got this project from my product owner to redesign the whole application for an iOS device. So let's start with the introduction. First of all, our introduction part is what is AvMeds. Basically AvMeds is a medical related Indian company where you find medicines, Ayurvedic medicines and medical groceries. AvMeds also provide doctor facilities where you can book your appointments in one click. AvMeds also provide the unique feature where you can directly get your medicine by uploading prescription. So I redesigned the application and make the design super attractive and corrected the user experience. The main thing which I changed, the complete user interface. This application has a good user journey, but it needs some more improvements, which enhances the user experience as well as the user journey. There are some benefits which I can get from the design, from the old design. I have saved my time of user research. Just use all the modules and arrange them in a specific manner. Yes, I had to make the wireframes which are obviously needed in the UI design. If you want to see the process of my design, you can see my case study which I uploaded in Behance and Medium. So let's have a quick comparison of the old design and the new design. Starting from the old design, I will explain what I get when I overview the app. The first thing I noticed, the journey of the application is inappropriate. When I installed the app, I was directly thrown into the application dashboard. The first thing that should be corrected here is the intro of the application. Like what is the application, their facilities and their features. Now, the second thing is in the sign up and sign in option. It should be in the starting. Now, sign in option is also important, that how the user can easily make their account or log in their account. There are two options. One is OTP, which is quick easy step, and the second is use your email or social media account. Now, one issue is solved. Moving to the second issue. The second issue is the dashboard, which is our home screen. Things I improved are the offer section, order now button position, and doctor appointment. I placed the offer section to the top, which catches the eye of the user. Now, in the previous design, they put a section of upload prescription. And I change this and add this to the bottom navbar because this is a special feature, so it should be at the correct place. The rest of the things are same as in the dashboard. Moving to the doctor menu, where I remove the icons or use some soft color so that it improves the UI. When you select the option, you find the doctor list. I tried to make them professional look, that all the things are same as the previous design. Now, coming to the upload prescription button, I added two options. One option is the user can upload prescription by using a camera, or they can directly upload through the gallery. Now, next is our lab test menu. Not many changes, just add an offer section and the rest are the same. And there are major changes in the account section, user account section, just the basic things which are generally needed in a user account. Okay. One more thing is about hamburger menu section. The previous one contains lots of options which is not required, and the improvement you can see.